Good morning, students. Today we are going to start with the new unit, that is the classification of elements and the periodicity in the properties. Now, the properties of the element cannot be discussed till we don't discuss the classification, which will be based on the electronic configuration. Dear students, the classification of an element, right? Finally, it is based. It is an application, or we can say based on the electronic configuration of the elements, right? So let us go a little bit back, that when the elements were about when new elements were getting added up, then the thing came that how we are going to study is such a huge number of the elements at a time. So it became difficult to study the properties of each and every element. Then the need of the hour was to classify the elements in such a way that the study becomes easier, right? So the number of scientists, right, meanwhile tried different ways or gave different theories to arrange the elements in the elements in a definite way so that the study become easier, right? But the success came when Moseley gave his law, which is known as the modern periodic law, right? So what is the modern periodic law and how it came into existence? Okay, just a step before Moseley, we had Mendeleev periodic table, right, which considered that the prop that the periodic properties are the function of the atomic mass or the atomic weight, right? But Moseley studied that X-ray experiments of different elements. He found that if the frequency which is being the frequency of the different X-rays produced by the different elements, right? He plotted a graph of under root V, where V stands for the frequency with that of the atomic number of that elements, right? Which he have taken. He got a straight line, right? Which was relating that the we can say the properties of the elements are the periodic function of their atomic numbers rather than the atomic masses, right? So what is the modern periodic law? Then he just gave that uh, the properties of an element are the periodic function of the atomic numbers, right, students? So hope so you have gone through the Mendeleev periodic table, Dobrina triads, and since they are not been included, I have sent the just a PDF of you the deducted syllabus, right, for this session. So go through it properly, and then on that basis we are going to complete the unit, right? So we are going to start with the classification of elements and periodicity in properties. So first thing comes, what is the need to classify the element, right? Just what first point is that need to classify the elements. Hope so you can answer it. What is the need to classify the elements? Yes, to get this study so that we can study the elements properly, right? In a systematic way, to have a systematic study of the elements, right? To get the systematic study of huge number of, or we can say large number of elements, right? There were many trends or many theories which were given. Dobrina triad, okay. Then we have got the Newland octave. Then we got the Mendeleev periodic table. And finally we come to the modern periodic table, right? So modern periodic table is based on modern periodic law given by Moseley based on X-ray studies of different elements, right, obtained a straight line or obtained a line on plotting a graph, right, of frequency. V stands for a frequency of the X-rays which will be emitted by those elements, right, right, with the atomic number. Z here stands for the atomic number. Right, students? So get the thing, note it down. Yes, students. So we are going to discuss the modern periodic law, so which is given by Moseley, which states that modern periodic law states that the physical and chemical properties of elements are the periodic function of their atomic number. Right? So modern periodic law suggests that tells that the physical and the chemical properties of an element are the periodic function of their atomic number. That means there will be relation or the variation of the physical and the chemical properties, or we can say periodic word is here. That means there will be the repetition, right, of the physical and the chemical properties of the elements, and that will be in accordance to the atomic number. Now, student, what do you mean by the periodicity? Right? You must have gone through this word periodicity. So, what is periodicity? So, periodicity we can say is the repetition or reoccurrence, right, of the properties, physical properties or the chemical properties of the elements after a regular interval, right? So, the similarity in the properties of the elements, right, after a regular interval, right, will be known as the periodicity. Now, question comes that what is the cause of periodicity? That what is the reason that why we are getting the repetition or why the properties become similar? Now, students, the periodicity first that you will define that what is periodicity. So we can say that it is the repetition of similarity in property in properties of element after a regular interval, right? And what is going to be the cause of the periodicity? Yes, it will be the configuration, valence shell configuration, right? It plays a very important role here. So, student, the periodicity, so yes, it is a cause of periodicity right? It is the similarity in the valence shell, or we can say the outermost shell, valence shell electronic configuration of the elements. Right? There will be similarity in the valence shell configuration of the elements. Now let's take an example of it, that how we are getting the periodicity, and what is the how we are getting the similarity in the electronic configuration. Students, you must have heard about the alkali metals, right? So what are the alkali metals? The alkali metals are, we can say, the reactive elements or the metals which, when they are dissolved in water, they are hydroxide. When they are dissolved in water, right, they will react with water to form the hydroxides, which will be basic in nature, alkaline in nature, right? They form the water soluble hydroxides. So alkali metals are those metals, right, whose oxides, when dissolved in water, right, will form the soluble metal hydroxide. Now let's take example here. We have got lithium, sodium, potassium, and rubidium. We can have cesium, lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, and cesium. Now the lithium, its atomic number is 3. Sodium, its atomic number is 11. Potassium, its 19. Right, let's first find both of this, right? And here, students, so lithium 3, sodium 11, potassium 19. Now when we write down the configuration of it, so you can write it this way. So we are writing it in a condensed form. The nearest one is 2 and the helium, right? So we're getting here 2s1. In the same way, here we will have neon. So just getting here 3s1. Here argon. Here you are getting 4s1. Right. So if you do write simply here, it will be in this way. Right, students? So we have got lithium 3. Okay, now you can write down the atomic number also. We are adding lithium 3. Right, we will add 8 to it. We will get 11. We are again getting 8 added to it. We are getting 19. Then we will add 18 to it. Right, student? We will get in this way 37. Right, and then again we add 18 to it. Right, what we are getting here is 55. Right, so here we have got krypton is 36. Krypton atomic number is 36. We are getting plus 1 of, because to get 37, 5s1 is 55. Xenon is 54 plus 1, 6. So you can see that these all alkali metals, they show resemblance in their chemical properties. Right? So you can see that there is a similarity in their electronic configuration. There is a regular repetition of the properties, right, of these elements. There will be similarity in the properties, and you can easily see here that why they are going to have similarity, because all of them have got similarity in the electronic configuration, valence shell configuration. And similarity means here there will be resemblance, and all are getting one electron in their s subshell, right, of the outermost shell. So students, this is the cause of the periodicity, and you can just go through the other group of metals also, where there will be the similarity because of their somewhere similarity in their electronic configuration.